Hey guys, I'm talking about this HF96 thermal imaging camera today. I have had this for about a year and suddenly it will not turn on. And I have been trying to figure that out. So I was like, oh yeah, obviously, it's USB-C, which I don't know if you know much about USB-C, but the charger and the device that it's plugged into are supposed to negotiate on power. So this device says, hey, I only need 10 watts of power or this many volts. This device is supposed to send that off to the USB controller, a USB-C controller, and then they agree on a voltage and a wattage and all the parameters for power that they need. And then the controller starts sending that wattage down. Well, I bought some high-powered Anker 30-watt, and they're not super high, but I bought some 30-watt Anker power adapters that are USB-C, and I've had this one plugged up for about 12 hours, and it still will not turn on. So it just dawned on me, what if I tried an old-school USB low-voltage adapter? And sure enough, it turns on and the battery's dead. So if you've got a device around your house, it doesn't just apply to this one. If it's not charging with a high-powered USB-C adapter, maybe try one of these old school bricks like these. Like this one is made by Samsung, for instance, but they are the old school, smaller adapters. Output is 2 amp, 5.3 volt. I mean, that is much smaller than this one, which is, it's 30 watts. Output is 9 volt, 3 amp, 5 volt, 3 amp, 12 volt, 2.5 amp. So 5 volt, 2 amp. So I guess this one just has one less amp, which is a considerable amount of electricity, but maybe it was just too much power for this device. So if you got something in your house that's having that problem, I don't know, give this a try. See what you think. Also, who makes a good USB-C cable? Because I bought these from Chubby Cables and they have been the longest lasting cable that I've had, but I still have some issues with them. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. But anyway, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Take care. God bless. God loves you.